Welcome back to Dehydrate to Store. Today we're going to be announcing the winner of our Excalibur Dehydrator Giveaway. This July, we opened up a giveaway for a brand new 5-tray Excalibur Dehydrator. To enter was simple. All you had to do was subscribe on YouTube and fill out a quick form on our website. We took all the entries and picked one at random. Before I reveal the winner, which I have in this envelope here, we're excited to announce that this giveaway was very popular. For that reason, we'll be doing more giveaways throughout the year. To be eligible for giveaways, it's very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel on YouTube. This will allow you to get video updates of when our giveaways are and instructions. We'll be giving away items like dehydrators, vacuum sealers, vacuum bags, Mylar bags, and more. We'll also be giving away copies of our cookbook, which you can purchase with this link here. All these items will help you to become an expert dehydrator and build your pantry at home. For our dehydrator giveaway today, we're giving away an Excalibur dehydrator. We've tried dozens of dehydrators over the years, and Excalibur is one of our favorites. If you weren't our lucky winner today, don't worry, you can purchase our recommended Excalibur dehydrator in the links in the description below. All right, without further delay, I'm going to announce the winner. The winner of our brand new 5-tray Excalibur dehydrator is Deborah Laura from Colorado. Congratulations, Deborah. You'll be receiving an email from us and a dehydrator in the mail soon. Thank you so much for all your support over the years. We really love doing giveaways like this, but without support from viewers like you, it wouldn't be possible. So please, subscribe to our videos below to show your support. Thank you so much. Happy dehydrating.